This Fairfax Realty Select property video is presented by Homai Maier. Spacious, well laid out, open floor plan townhouse with huge front porch to enjoy those lazy summer days. Enter into an expanse of living room leading to a large dining room leading to a large kitchen leading out to the backyard for those summer cookouts. Upstairs are 3 good-sized bedrooms and a full bath. Loads of windows and skylights for plenty of light. The basement is large with a window. Conveniently located near COPPIN State University, shopping, restaurants and the subway. Sold as is. Needs work. For more information, review the details below or contact Homai Maier at 0202 471 4200.